good day, Yufa. I'm Matthew K, running for Yufa President under the banner of CO. So basically, the presidential candidate that I'm looking for would be Miriam Defensor Santiago. And the similarities that I see between her and me is that her priorities, kasi based from her speeches, the debates, ang talagang focus ni Senator Miriam Santiago is both for the health and education. Kaya one of the projects na ilulunsad ng Sigaw UP would be first in terms of the health and involvement of UP Manila would be the interprofessional collaboration. Ayan. So in terms naman dun sa as the service lead head of the Health and Environment Committee, isa sa mga pinopropose na is heal or the healthy environment acclimatized to learning. Ayan, kasi through this would be ini-empower natin, motivate natin each and every student in the student body para tayong growth for academic excellence. Kasi hindi lang naman tayo puro sa, syempre may mga pinagdadaanan, iba't-iba tayo pinagdadaanan. So through that, we will be having your counseling sessions and a systemized payment system. So in terms of leadership qualities na I believe na parehas kami ni Miriam Defensor Santiago is that she's able to empower and motivate the youth. At the same time, yung branding ng Sigaw UP this year, which is Unity Starts With You and I. So gusto kasi namin, hindi lang naman as leaders or the student council, kami lang naman gagawa ng mga projects and all the things na for you. Gusto namin involve ang student body. Kayo yung representation ng buong College of Arts. So for the specific question, as the incumbent as before na Secretary for Internal Affairs, ayan. So isa sa mga qualities na I believe that na during that time is that we were able to become flexible to drastic changes. Kasi alam naman natin that during that time, we have experienced firsthand yung pag-shift from the Form 5 to the SAIS, and then yun din yung first time na nagkaroon ng academic shift, and then we had a change in UPM administration. So basically, isa sa mga is a leader should be able to be flexible sa ano man yung possible na ma-encounter na hindi natin na-expect. So, yeah, as a UFO president, talagang ma-expect naman natin yung different possible na ma-encounter in the academic year. So, isa sa mga ilulunsad natin is proper planning and consultative action. Kaya isa yun sa mga projects na ilulunsad with your Internal Affairs and your Secretary for Finance. So, I think isa sa mga unang pumasok sa isip ko, kulang would be adobo, siguro yan. Kasi isa sa mga very sikat kay Kuya dun sa tapat natin is the way chicken adobo. And I think maraming sa College of Pharmacy ang nag-cater to that. And adobo is very Filipino. And yun naman talaga kasi ang sinaserve natin